Something huge is coming from OnePlus, and this design leak just blew our minds. If you want to stay ahead with every big smartphone leak, hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe right now before the official launch. This is the first real image of the upcoming OnePlus 15, and it looks like the brand is rewriting the rulebook. The circular camera setup that defined earlier models is completely gone. In its place is a sharp square module with rounded corners painted deep black. Inside are 3 cameras arranged in a fresh layout. 2 are grouped together and 1 is placed separately, giving it a bold new look. The back of the phone comes in 3 stunning colors. Dune looks like the hero color. It is warm, elegant, and eye-catching. Absolute black is rumored to be the darkest black ever on a smartphone, and it might even absorb light. Mist purple gives a soft, futuristic tone that feels premium and unique. On the front, the phone is expected to feature a flat 6.78-inch display with 1.5K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. That means everything from scrolling to gaming and watching videos will be buttery smooth. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which is currently the fastest chipset for Android phones. OnePlus is also introducing its own image engine after ending the partnership with Hasselblad, so you can expect smarter photos with better details, especially in low-light conditions. The battery is another highlight. It will pack a huge 7,000 mAh capacity with 120-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. That means long-lasting use and super-fast power-ups when you need them. The OnePlus 15 is expected to launch in October, along with the Ace 6 model. But here is the real question. With this bold new design, cutting-edge processor, and massive battery, could this finally be the phone that changes everything? Let me know in the comments which color you would pick, and make sure you stay tuned, because this story is only getting started.